Assalamu alaikum. My name is Dr. Khurshid Ahmed Bhatt and I'm a scientist working at SCOST Kashmir. From past 10 years, I am working as assistant professor in SCOST Kashmir in Division of Plant Pathology. Today, we will be briefly discussing about my story about Project Vanzyme. As we know, Kashmir is a uh, land of lakes, and we have so many world famous lakes in Kashmir like Dal Lake, Manasbal Lake, Wular Lake, Anjar Lake. And all these lakes are heavily infested with freshwater aquatic weeds, which are very rich in nutrients. And this weed infestation is because of the pollution in the lakes due to the anthropogenic activities. To restore the pristine beauty of these lakes, especially the Dal Lake, government agencies like LCMA, which was previously called Lauda, is continuously extracting these weeds from the Dal. And at present, there is not good use of these weeds. These weeds are mainly thrown on the dumping sites, landfills, or around the lakes on the roadsides where they rot. And during this rotting process, the nutrients present in them leach down to the groundwater or are washed down to the lake in one or the another way. During my PG research, when I was a student of doing my master's and doctorate, every day going up and down on this to the Shalimar campus, I used to see these huge piles of this organic wealth, and I always wanted to do something good with this. And after joining Sucost, I started considering these my ideas, and as a result, I could file three patents on different products from these aquatic weeds. Today we will discuss about one of such product, which we call Vanzyme. Uh, there we can use the technique of composting on these weeds, but because of the peculiar phytochemistry of these weeds, composting is not so effective. And there are so many other issues, like for composting we need a huge space, we need infrastructure, and we need a research to work out that the process. And there is a lot of nutrient loss during composting. One of the good solutions to convert this weed into a useful fertilizer is the fermentation process. Fermentation process involves the use of microorganisms in presence of energy source, and with the help of an alcoholic fermentation, we can extract the nutrients from these weeds. And as a result of, we'll get a product which has major and micronutrients. And since this is a biological process, so during the process we also get a mixture of enzymes, protein hydrolysates, amino acids, and so many bioactive compounds which play a very positive role in the chemistry of a biochemistry of a plant. So until 2018, I was able to make a simple industrial protocol whereby we could convert this aquatic fresh water weed into the liquid fermented fertilizer. And from 2019 onwards, with the help of other competent scientists of the university, uh, we as a team started evaluating these products on our main crops like apple and vegetables and ornamental plants. And for 2 years of research, we got overwhelming results, very encouraging results. And in 2022 and 23, uh, because of the encouragement and boost of our present Vice Chancellor Nazir Ahmad Ganai, who implemented the uh, NISP policy, that is the Innovation and Startup Policy of MHRD in our university, uh, due to which we could commercialize our innovations. And the Vanzyme product was finally produced in 2023 in a cost-led startup program. And in the first launching year, we distributed 9,000 liters of the product among the apple growers, and also our vegetable and other ornamental growers. And from the farmers, we get a very good response. Farmers reported all sorts of improvements, all sorts of vegetative improvements, which include both yield as well as quantity, quality of the product. This product, Vanzyme, has a very good scope in our local market, in our local apple husbandry, as well as in the national market. We already know that we import lots of nutrients like urea, DAP, and potash into our state. And along with that, we also import these fermented products, and at least uh, seaweed extract fermented products we are importing to the tune of 10 lakh liters every season. So this product has a huge scope in our local market, as well as it can be exported to the national market. This is our short story of brief about our story from converting the waste into the wealth. And I hope you will post your comments in the comment box. Thank you very much.